ஊர் சூற்றுலம்பிடாது உனைக்கண்டடங்கிட உன் அழகைக் காட்டு அருணாச்சலா. Today I thought I will discuss about this Inchagiri Sampradaya, Navanatha Sampradaya, and especially about the Gurus Siddharameshwar Maharaj, Nisargadatta Maharaj. I got attracted to the holy mountain Arunachala by Father's Supreme Will in the year 2010. Around that same period, I had that opportunity to interact with the Sri David Godman, who has written authoritative books on Ramana Maharshi devotees, covering a wide variety of topics from power of presence to be as you are, Maharishi's teachings, to nothing ever happened, the account of Papaji. Along with this, David Godman also got attracted to the Navanath Sampradaya, especially Nisargadatta Maharaj, who came in that Sampradaya in 1975 time period. David Godman visited Maharaj in his house at Bombay. So in 2010, when I started interacting with David Godman, I came to know about Nisargadatta Maharaj. But it was not until 2011 I got attracted to Maharaj. So there is a strong connection between Ramanasramam and Nisargadatta Maharaj. Sri V. Ganesan, the grandnephew of Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi, so who used to be the president of Ramanasramam, he himself has visited Nisargadatta Maharaj at his Bombay Vanamali Bhavan in the 1975 time period. So there is a strong connection, and you can see opposite to Ramanasramam in the bookstall, there are a lot of books about Nisargadatta Maharaj as well. So the teachings of Nisargadatta Maharaj were also in similar lines to Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi, in the sense that like Maharaj also has to watch the sense of I am and give our total attention to that. So in 2011, I had the opportunity to read an interview which David Godman gave to Alok or someone. I don't remember exactly the interviewer name, but David Godman spoke extensively about his experience with Nisargadatta Maharaj. So that one conversation interview which I read, that attracted me to Maharaj as well. Of course, like Ramana Maharshi and Arunachala are our soul, parampara of Guru, and it looked like Nisargadatta Maharaj was like a Guru Bhai. Guru Bhai is a term for disciple, but if there is a term like similar lineage, of Dattatreya Navanath Sampradaya, that was represented by Maharaj. There is not much difference between the teachings of Arunachala and Arunachala Ramana and Nisargadatta Maharaj. So that way I got attracted to Maharaj as well. Time and again I will read his teachings, and then slowly I also had the good fortune to read about Siddharameshwar Maharaj, who was the guru of Nisargadatta Maharaj. So now, what is it that I am that book, if you take, or the Siddharameshwara Maharaj's Amritalaya or Masters of Self-Realization, all these books, those are also not words actually. Similar to how you get direct communion with Arunachala when you chant Arunachala Shiva, or when you read Upadesa Undiyar or Ulladana same way, these dialogues, these compositions of like I am that, Master of Self-Realization, Amritalaya, they are not mere words. Like if an ignorant person like me goes and tell 10 things about Brahman, people will not get a taste of Brahman. But these books, when you read the right attitude, something goes inside you. So that's what it represents. And the Nisargadatta Maharaj's room, right, where he lived, uh, that is packed with energy. I can see even in the video. I went once to Anamali Bhavan. I could sense something, like the traces of Brahman. Brahman is there everywhere, but that is the beauty. That's a Sadguru. Okay, so you have to find a master like Nisargadatta Maharaj, right? Like Ramana Maharishi, the same knowledge was available. Maharishi was Maharishi never moved out of Arunachala. Nisargadatta Maharaj was living in the busy streets of Bombay, but still the same Brahman knowledge was discussed. So, like, even though our main following of daily routine is with Ramana Maharishi, we go to Giri Pradakshina, Arunachala, and all we do. But we sometimes also see some TV serials. We sometimes see some movies. In that time, like when we feel want like something else to do, it is good to read these teachings. These are all treasures. And that's how time and again I used to visit books of Nisargadatta Maharaj and Siddharameshwara Maharaj. Feel it for yourself actually. Those foreigners who came to see Nisargadatta Maharaj in 1975 to 80 time period, they would have got that vibrating atmosphere there. That is it. It is not about theoretically repeating some statements, I can say I am Brahman, but you will not get anything. But when you read Maharaj's statement, and Gnani's words have power. That's what David Godman used to say. Don't dwell more on the meaning of what they are trying to convey. They are speaking not to you, to your consciousness, they are speaking. They are addressing your consciousness. So make use of it. And until our body gets dissolved, we have to engage ourselves in this type of satsang, right? Now, in this pandemic period or even otherwise, it is very tough to travel around, with lot of our worldly worries. But we can time again tune to these teachings. In between that 5 minutes you get break in your office, you can tune to these teachings. So don't have any restrictions. Don't analyze too much. Have simple faith, right? And then read and enjoy these books. So David Godman has beautifully explained his experience with Maharaj in his interview. So you can read that. You can Google it and read. There are other devotees like Stephen Wonsky has uh, composed, like he has created a documentary film that runs for 1.5 hours, covering all the devotees of Nisargadatta Maharaj, like Mullar Button, Miss Vanaja, and other translators. So he has done interview beautifully, like provided the documentary film which he filmed in 2007. It is available free in YouTube. Read it. That Sadguru's grace, it should be with us. All other theoretical knowledge are waste. Suppose you get high degree fever, who is going to help you? In that state, we are clinging to the body and crying, body, 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 body. If for a fever is like this, in the deathbed, what are we going to do? We are going to cling to this body. That body consciousness has to be unscrewed, in the words of Nisargadatta Maharaj. That can be done only when we tune to Sadhguru's teachings. So read, like all these treasures and get maximum out of it. ஊர் சூற்றுளம்பிடாதுனை கண்டடங்கிட உன் அழகை காட்டு அருணாச்சலா.